Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This video is mainly regarding the crash course which we are planning to conduct from Monday, that is 29th of May. Okay. So, those who have already completed their training and waiting for their exam, they can surely attend this, and it will be more beneficial for you. Like, we will be revising all the topics as well as daily assessments, and nearly 15 to 25 mock exams will be conducted. Paper discussion, everything will be done, and if you have any doubts in the topic which was already taken for you, can be clarified during this session, and it will be very interesting, and mostly it will be one-to-one session only. So if you are really looking for a crash program, surely you can join with me. So we'll be starting from Monday. So we have maximum days starting from today, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 3 more days are left out. So if you are planning to do your crash program, you can enroll in this. And this program is exclusively for only for this month, that is starting on 29th. After that, I don't think so I'll be doing it. So the charges for this is 2,999, that is 3,000 rupees. Okay. Study materials and everything, soft copies will be provided. Study materials in the sense the question papers and rationals. Okay. So if you are planning to join, you can join with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best. Thank you.